Hi students, today this topic properties of integer. That is properties of integers. Four types are one for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. First one, properties of addition. First one, closure property. How to use mean this one? If A and B, two values A and B are integers, then A plus B also will be an integer. If A and B are integer, then A plus B, you take it two value A and B, you add it A plus B, that also integers. This is closure property. Closure property of which one? Addition. Addition of integers. Example, here A1 value, B value, you take it. Here add it, A plus B, that also will be an integer. You take any value, 7 plus of minus 3. A1 value, B1 value. 7 plus of minus 3 answer 4. Why means plus into minus, minus. 7 minus 3, 4 coming. Here, two value, A value and B value. Minus 8 plus into minus also minus. So, this one minus 11. Here, A1 value and B1 value. Minus 6, here minus 2. Here plus into minus, minus. So, minus 6, minus 2, minus 8. This is closure property. Any value take it. A1 value, B value. That is one integer. Then A plus B. This is A plus B. That also will be an integers. Second one, commutative property. This is second one, commutative property. If A and B are any two integers, then A plus B equal to B plus A. That is unchanging order of addition. We get same result. This is commutative property. Here, if A and B are any two integer, A1 value, B1 value, take any two integers, then A plus B equal to B plus A. On changing order of addition, here A plus B are in, here B plus A are in, we get same result. This is commutative property. Example, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 5. Same here. A plus B equal to B plus A. 5 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 5. Answer is 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. Here minus 7, here plus 5. Same here, 5 minus 7. Minus 7 plus 5, 5. Here minus 7 equal to. This one subtract minus 2. Here minus, here plus. Big value 7 away. So 7 symbol, here minus. Next one. Minus 2 plus of minus 3. Here minus 3 plus of minus 2. Minus 2 plus of minus 3 equal to minus 3 plus of minus 2. Same A plus B equal to B plus A. Answer minus 5. This is commutative property. You take two integers A plus B equal to B plus A. This is commutative property. Third one, associative property. If A, B and C, here you take three integers or any three integers, then associative property means A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. If A, B and C, here any three integers A, B, C, you take three value, that is three integers, then A plus B plus C, here brackets having B plus C equal to next A plus B plus C. That is even if the grouping is changed, we get same result. This meaning even if the grouping is changed, A plus B plus C, this one group A plus B plus C, this one group, this group is changed, we get same result. This is associative property. This is associative property. Example, here A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. You take three integers, 3 plus 2 plus 5. Next one, this like same, take it, 3 plus 2 plus 5. Same here having A plus B plus C. Same A plus B plus C equal to A plus B. Same A plus B plus C. 3 plus 2 plus 5, 7 equal to 3 plus 2, 5 plus here 5 having. 3 plus 7, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. So this meaning even if the grouping is changed, we get the same result. This is associative property. Another one example. Second one, same is like A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. You take three integer. Here A equal to minus 2, B equal to minus 3, C equal to 5. A value, B value, C value. Same here A value, B value, C value. Here this formula use it. First one A. Here minus 2 of it. Minus 2 plus inside b plus c having b how much minus 3 c 5 so b minus 3 plus 5 equal to this side a plus b here a value minus 2 b value minus 3 so minus 2 plus minus 3 plus c value 5 now minus 2 plus of minus 3 having here 5 having minus 3 plus 5 2 only having equal to here minus 2 plus of minus 3 plus into minus minus so minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus of 5 here minus 2 here plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 0 here minus 5 plus 5 here 0 so this is associative property. Next one additive identity. If 0 is added to any integer the value of the integer does not change. If 0 is added to any integer, the value of the integer does not change, no change. If a is an integer, then a plus 0 equal to 0 plus a equal to a. If a is an integer, here only one integer having, that is for one a, any integer you take it. A plus 0 equal to 0 plus a equal to a only. Hence 0 is called the additive identity. Example, here a plus 0 equal to 0 plus a equal to a. 5 plus 0 equal to 0 plus 5 equal to 5 only having. Minus 11 plus 0 equal to 0 plus of minus 11 equal to minus 11 only coming. So a plus 0 equal to 0 plus a equal to a. This is for additive identity. Next one, additive inverse. Additive inverse. When an integer added to its opposite, when an integer added to its opposite, when an integer added to its opposite, we get the result is 0. If a is an integer then a is an integer, then minus a added to its opposite. Here a having in opposite minus a. So if a is an integer, then minus a is its opposite, or additive inverse. If a is an integer, then minus a is the opposite or additive inverse. That is additive inverse. That is a plus of minus a equal to 0. Here 0. We get the result is 0 when an integer added to opposite. I will take for one integer, that is for a. In opposite minus a. A plus of minus a equal to 0. Example. First one. Additive inverse of 2 equal to minus 2. Additive inverse of 7 equal to minus 7. Third one. Additive inverse of minus 5. Here additive inverse of minus 5 in opposite plus 5. This is additive inverse. Next one, property of 1. Property of 1. Addition of 1. This is for 1 to any integer. Any integer gives successor. Addition of 1 to any integer gives successor. Example, 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Minus 9 plus 1 equal to minus 8. 9 plus 1, both are positive integers. So 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Here minus 9 plus 1. Here minus 9 having. Here plus 1 having. So here minus 8. Here 10 minus 8. 10 and minus 8 are successor of both. Here plus 9 having, here minus 9 having. So 9 and minus 9. This is property of 1. This fully properties of addition. First one closure property, second one commutative property, third one associative property, fourth one additive identity, fifth one additive inverse, sixth one property of 1. This fully property of addition. Thank you.